Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner. It is noteworthy that recently Ordinary change, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution to the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% exfoliating toner, but the formula or benefits are same, just name is different. Let's start. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner Review. I recently discovered the transformative power of the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner, and its ability to address various skin concerns has left me truly impressed. For those battling acne and wound scars, this toner proves to be a formidable ally. Its potent formula works diligently to fade scars, offering a noticeable improvement in skin tone over time. It's equally effective against bumpy skin and keratosis pilaris, providing a smoother and more refined texture with regular use. When incorporated into my weekly skincare routine, the benefits on my face have been undeniable. The toner not only exfoliates but also targets post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH, leaving my skin brighter and more even-toned. The reduction in lines and wrinkles adds a youthful touch, making it a valuable addition to combat signs of aging. What sets this product apart is its versatility. It extends beyond the face to address scalp concerns. As a scalp exfoliant, it efficiently removes buildup, unveiling a healthier-looking scalp. I've found that it even helps manage scalp oiliness to some extent, making it a holistic solution for both facial and scalp care. Applying a generous amount to a clean, dry scalp and leaving it on has become a simple yet effective ritual. The toner's rebalancing properties leave the scalp feeling refreshed while reducing dryness, contributing to an overall improved scalp health. Being an alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, specifically glycolic acid, this toner is a direct acid that targets uneven tone and texture. Adding it to my nighttime routine has significantly enhanced the overall clarity of my skin. Lines and wrinkles are visibly reduced, and my complexion radiates a newfound luminosity. A crucial tip for those incorporating AHA into their routine. Always avoid unprotected sun exposure and make SPF a non-negotiable step in your skincare regimen. This ensures optimal results without compromising skin health. In conclusion, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner has earned a permanent place in my skincare arsenal.